Hi, I'm Sam Wortman, a product marketing manager at Matillion. Today I'm going to talk to you about using Snowflake Object Tagging directly within Matillion and highlight the benefits and value of being able to tag objects within your ETL. So, first off, what is Snowflake Object Tagging for Matillion? Snowflake Object Tagging for Matillion enables users to assign tags to various components, organizations, warehouses, databases, schemas, or tables, allowing for the efficient management of metadata and effective searching, classifying, and monitoring of data sets. Next, let's dive into the value Snowflake Object Tagging brings to your data governance and data productivity strategies. First, it fortifies your data, letting you make confident decisions with fully contextualized data sets. Second, it simplifies management, reducing the complexity and time associated with data management. Third, it makes you bulletproof against risk, monitoring data sets closely for compliance. But how does it actually supercharge your data governance and data productivity strategies? First, it reduces complexity and improves operational efficiency with a centralized way to easily search, classify, and monitor datasets. Next, it provides context to data to build a greater understanding of consumption patterns, cost management practices, and uncovers areas of risk. Lastly, it uses tags to document and track data usage so you can better comply with regulatory requirements and audit data usage for compliance and governance purposes. Let's dive in and hear from Senior Product Manager Joni.
Hi, my name's Joni, and I'm a product manager here at Matillion. Today, I'm going to show you our Snowflake Assign Tag feature, which allows us to assign an object tag to a table, stage, procedure, or any other type of data object. In my example, I am going to show you how to assign an object tag to a table, which will have an associated value attached to it. Snowflake Object Tagging provides an organized and centralized way to manage metadata and datasets, helping users to easily search, classify, and monitor these datasets. By grouping objects based on specific criteria, you can easily manage and maintain related objects, reducing complexity and improving operational efficiencies. Before I can assign a tag with its associated values, I must create the tag within the Snowflake UI. As you can see here, a tag has been created already, customer_data_March, with the allowed values of PII. You can see here I have a very basic orchestration job where I've created a table and I've loaded some sensitive customer data into my Snowflake account from my S3 bucket. I now want to assign a metadata tag which categorizes this table as PII. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go into the components section and just search for the new component Assign Tag. And I'm going to drag this over into the canvas here and just line it up with my table. And I'll get these two connected. Great. So there's a few things to fill out here. The first is object type. This allows me to select where I would like to append the tag to, and in this case it's at the table level. Next up is object name. This allows me to select the table that I would like to append the tag to. So I'm going to search for my table. It's customer, cust_March. There we are. Lastly, object details. This is where I set the tag and tag value. So the tag name was customer data March and the value was PII. Great, so the component has been validated. So let's run the component. Okay, the component has run and it looks successful. Let's go back to Snowflake and see if the tag has been assigned to the table. So this is my table, cust_March. And as you can see, the tag is associated to this table at the table level. Thank you for watching.
Thanks, Joni. Let's recap the benefits and value Snowflake Object Tagging for Matillion brings to data-driven users. First, it fortifies your data, letting you make confident decisions with fully contextualized datasets, all while reducing complexity and improving operational efficiency with a centralized way to easily search, classify, and monitor datasets. Second, it simplifies data management by providing context to data to build a greater understanding of consumption patterns, cost management practices, and uncovers areas of risk. Third, it makes you bulletproof against risk, using tags to document and track data usage so you can better comply with regulatory requirements and audit data usage for compliance and governance purposes. Ultimately, Snowflake Object Tagging from Matillion adds context to datasets by assigning metadata tags to enhance data governance, streamline access control, and improve data management. Want to get started today? Sign up for a new trial or upgrade to the latest version of Matillion. Visit our website or reach out to your sales representative for more information.